What's up, guys? Welcome to another Notions for Notions. Today we are talking about my rotating mats. Now you only see two here, right here, but I have another one by Sue Daley, and I like that one. It's smaller, and I might have the larger one, but I'm not 100% sure. But out of these two, randomly, this is the one that I use the most, which is this Fiskars one, and it's much less techy than the other one. It just has this little mechanism right here and it rotates, and it's not the smoothest rotating, but it's the one that I use the most. And when it's good is when I have a block on there and I need to cut it and I need to not disturb the fabric, so then I can just rotate it and then just cut it this way, which is lovely. There are times when you need to just do a little maneuvering to make it more safe for you to cut with your rotary cutter. You should never really be cutting toward your body. I try to stick, well, you guys see me, sometimes I do it, but you really want to go up and across, and then you want to rotate again, and then, you know, do your up and your across. That's really what you would like to do, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. So my favorite one that I end up using more than any of them, I don't know why, happens to be this Fiskar. But this Martelli one is very, very popular, and I think it kind of is the same as the Sue Daley one. It is on these ball bearings, and it rotates a lot smoother. And it has this felt kind of cushion on the back to keep it from slipping. And it comes with a circular pressing mat too, so that you could press on this. I don't use that. I don't even know where that is. But I do occasionally use this, and it does rotate a little smoother. It's got this beautiful printing here on, so that you can kind of line your stuff up. It's good. So this one here is by Martelli. I do suggest you get one. This is not something that I think you need to have immediately, but eventually, if you love quilting, it's a really cool notion to have. And sometimes, if you are cutting those blocks where you don't want to disturb your fabric, it's nice to have. They're not too thick either. And so this one here is super duper thin. And so it's not too difficult to store. You could really store that in a bookcase. This one here is much thicker. And again, it does come with a pressing mat that goes on top that I don't know that I have ever used, but something fun to have. Again, this is not what I would consider a necessary notion, but it is nice to have. All right, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one.